Hello everyone, welcome back to Leumastudios. In this video, we're going to be looking into construction of a regular hexagon using distance across flats. So, to make use of 30-degree and 60-degree set square, we're going to be constructing an hexagon across flats. And to do this, the first thing we have to do is to draw our horizontal line AB, or a straight horizontal line AB. That is labeled A and B. So the next thing to do after that is to construct a circle using our compass with a radius of 30 mm, because we have a diameter of 60, and to construct our circle we need a radius of half of 60, which is 30 mm. So with 30 mm, we're going to draw our circle as a thin line. Then after drawing a circle, the next thing to do is to draw our center line and diagonal line using 30 degrees 30 degree and 60 degree set scale. So we're going to first draw our center line, ensuring to draw our center line, which is 90 degrees to normal. Okay, after drawing the center line, the next thing is to draw our diagonal lines, and we're going to be making use of our 60-degree set scale. So to do this, we're going to be placing the set scale on point 60 degrees at the center of the circle, and then joining two parts of the circles together. To do that, to do for the other side, we're going to turn the set scale so as to draw the other point of the diagonal line, which is this. Okay, so after drawing the diagonals, the next thing to do is to draw the sides of our hexagon. So starting with, we're going to be making use of our 30 degrees set scale. So we're going to start from this edge, draw a line touching the perpendicular line here, and then we come to the other side, to the base. From this point, touching where the diagonal touches the circumference of the circle, then we have another point. Then we draw the line from the sides, so we have this, and then we also have the other side. So we are doing all this making use of our set scale, and then we draw the other side using our set scale as well. From this point, so we have the end and the last point to be on the top corner, which is this. So after doing this, the next thing is to ensure that our hexagon has thick equal sizes. So we're going to apply more pressure or make use of a thicker pencil to draft out the lines meant for our hexagon. So we have this point, and we have this. Have this end, and we also have this. Okay, very good. So we have our hexagon to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after we are done drawing each side of the hexagon, the next thing to do is to indicate that our diagram is drawn according to the instruction given, which is distance across flat. So to do that, I'm going to bring up my T-scale to the upper side, and then with the use of our set scale to extend the line downwards on both sides with a very thin line. You join both lines together using a thin line to indicate the trajectory of the line, having these 2 points to be 60 millimeters, which is across flat. We can observe that the line to which the hexagon is drawn is placed on the exterior part of the internal circle we drew from the very beginning of the construction work, and which is set on the flat area of the hexagon. So we have the construction of our hexagon using distance across these two flat points. Thank you very much.